Hey there, builders and breakers. In the world of Python, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it right. Think of it like building a machine. A jumbled mess of wires might power up, but a well-organized system, that's where the magic happens. We're diving into the world of junior versus senior Python code. Imagine two workshops, one with tools scattered everywhere, the other meticulously organized. That's the difference we're talking about. It's about readability, efficiency, and building code that doesn't just work, but sings. Why does this matter? Because good code isn't just about today's project, it's about building a foundation for tomorrow. It's about creating something others can understand, modify, and build upon. So, whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, let's explore the hallmarks of great Python code and how to level up your game. Get ready to build something amazing. First things first, let's define our players. A junior Python developer is like a fresh recruit, eager to learn but still getting a handle on the tools. They write code that works but might be a bit messy. Senior devs, they're the seasoned veterans. They've seen it all, debugged it all, and emerged with a deep understanding of clean, efficient code. They write code that's not just functional but elegant. The difference isn't about years of experience alone, it's about mindset. Juniors often focus on making it work, while seniors prioritize long-term maintainability and performance. This difference is evident in their code. Juniors might use cryptic variable names or write huge blocks of code without clear structure. Seniors, on the other hand, write code that reads like a well-written story, clear, concise, and easy to follow. One of the biggest differences between junior and senior code lies in readability. Imagine trying to decipher a recipe written in a chaotic jumble of words. Frustrating, right? That's what poorly formatted code feels like. Senior devs understand that code is read more often than it's written. They use meaningful variable names, add comments to explain complex logic, and break down large chunks of code into smaller, more manageable functions. This focus on readability makes the code easier to understand, debug, and modify. It's like the difference between trying to navigate a city with a messy hand-drawn map versus using a GPS. Remember, good code is a team sport. Writing clean, readable code makes it easier for others and your future self to understand and work with your creations. Beyond readability, senior devs are masters of optimization. They understand that efficient code runs faster and consumes fewer resources. It's like the difference between a car with a sputtering engine and one that's finely tuned for performance. They choose the right data structures and algorithms for the job. They know how to leverage Python's built-in functions for maximum efficiency. And they're always on the lookout for bottlenecks that slow things down. For example, a junior developer might use a loop to search for an item in a list. A senior developer, knowing that Python dictionaries are optimized for lookups, would use a dictionary instead. This simple change can lead to significant performance gains. Remember, optimization isn't about premature micro-optimizations. It's about choosing the right tools and techniques to ensure your code runs smoothly and efficiently.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.